An annual plumbing check is a great way to keep plumbing repair costs to a minimum by catching small problems before they become big, expensive disasters. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. A home's plumbing system can wreak havoc if it fails. Normally, most plumbing problems don't happen all at once. They start small and slowly grow over time. Catching problems early is precisely why the check is so important. So what is a plumbing check? Well, let's review some of the things it includes. First, they'll check the overall condition of your water and drain system. Experts know where to look and what to look for. They'll also look at your water heater to make sure there's no leaks, check the water pressure, and inspect the venting system to make sure it's properly attached and in good working order. Carbon monoxide is a byproduct of combustion, and a faulty vent could introduce these dangerous gases into your family's living space. Plumbing checks also include faucets and sinks, toilets, garbage disposals, septic systems, and more. A big part of the check is what you can't see. Using video technology, experts can look into your sewer pipe deep underground to make sure there's no root infiltrations, which could lead to deteriorating, collapsed, or blocked sewer lines. One common cause of blocked sewer lines is tree roots. They slow and eventually stop the flow of water in the drain, which could cause it to back up into your home. For the peace of mind that a plumbing check can provide, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.